This is happy birthday cupcakes for our friend Pasqua. This is his because it has the most. Everybody else has to eat these ones because he eats that one. I texted him a while back ago and I asked him if he liked lemons and he said yes. And so I was just like, you better prove it, because I made some special extra lemony frosting. By the way, we just did our dishes. Aren't you guys so proud of us that dishes ensue all the time? And then look, there's 4 extra ones. Boop, 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 boop. So that way I can have with my friend Chelsea. I'm actually hanging out with both Chelseas today, but Chelsea Bella Beauty 1993 and I are filming a new segment. My face is really dry. Oh, by the way, I use mousse. I really like it. It smells like really good. Where has mousse been my whole life? There's like a little hair on the camera. I don't know if you guys can see. So right now, we're just hanging out, cleaning, getting things set up. I need to put makeup on the face. Mr. Spicy just gave me like the evil look. It's dark in here, isn't it? Yep, it sure is. I'll go into a lighter room. Oh, you want to say hi?
Not really. Just kidding.
Oh.
I'm tired. I stayed up till 5. Me and David and Lee were tearing it up. Like the champs we are.
Okay, well, I gotta go.
Your breath is stinky. You cute as hell.
Oh, weird, the camera flipped.
I wish you would jump higher.